seriously, gone are the days where they sit on the toilet bowl, every Saturday morning and highlight the newspaper. They're on the smartphones now, they're on the computers. All consumers have moved to a different
Barbra
arena.
Streisand.
Banners, all that kind of thing. Yes, these are normal. Please get your BCA license. Do websites, search engine marketing. If you know search engine optimization, even
Barbra
better.
Streisand.
Yeah, that will drive a whole lot more traffic.
Barbra Streisand.
To me, I think what's very important is if you got easy problem in market, just put it up, it will be gone. If you got hard ones, perhaps you need to try all the